Greetings, everyone. A client of mine had a question about file size of some of her Act data. So there's a couple things I want to show you to learn about the file size and show you how you can figure that out. So the first thing you need to know is where your Act database and the corresponding files are located. So if you don't know where that is or you're not certain, go up and click on Help, go to About Act, and when this box pops up, what you can do is go down and click on Database Information. Now here, you just simply scroll down, and it will take a little while to get down there, and it's going to show you the database file location right there. And this is the location of the database right there. So you want to make a note of that as to where it's located. And generally what I'll do is I'll take a screenshot of it, or if you don't have something that you can do that with, just grab your phone and take a quick picture of it. So now that I've done that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to navigate to that file location. So bear with me as I do that. Again, I'm just opening up the C drive. I'm going to get in there and I'm going to start navigating to it. So I'm going to come over to the C drive. I'm going to go to Users, Public, Documents. So let's see, Users, Public, and then Public Documents right there. I'm going to go inside C Act. I'm going to go Act Data. I'm going to go to Databases, and this will list the different databases that I have available to myself in my Act version. So we're looking at the most recent Act database, the demo version, Act 2023. So the first thing you're going to do is click on this folder right here. That's the Act 2023 demo database files. And next, you're going to come down here, and where it says ADF and ALF, I'm going to click on both of those. I'm going to click on the second file, the ADF, while holding the control key down, and I'm going to click on the ALF while holding the control key down as well. The PAD file is just a shortcut. It's really small. It's insignificant, so don't even worry about it. Now that I've selected those three, I'm going to right-click while my pointer's on one of the highlighted areas, and I'm going to go down and click on Properties. So in this case, this database is right there, 71.5 megabytes, which is very small. It's just a demo database. Now in my client's case, they have an attachments folder inside of Act that is huge. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to double click on this, and I'm going to come in here and I'm going to exclude the attachments folder, and I'm going to come in here and select all these items. I'm going to right click and go down to Properties and see the size of these folders. So as you sort of do a little math here, you're going to see that these folders have very little information, and the corresponding other files have more information in it. So you can keep track of it individually, but do a little bit of math. So this one has basically 6 megabytes. If I come back out of this and go to the databases area, you're going to see that the ADF and the ALF, if I right click, they make up the majority of the size, almost 64 megabytes. So the 64 and the 6, that makes up the size of my database. In her case, she's going to exclude the attachments folder, and that will give her a sense of how big the database is minus the attachments. And quite honestly, the attachments folder in many situations is the folder that has the most information in it. PDF files can get really big. Other files can get really big. If you're attaching emails, they can get big over time because you have a lot of stuff in there. So that's how you take a look and figure it out. Okay, my friends, thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye now.